In this video, you are going to find out how you can pay for your gaming using PayPal with no bank account. For those of you that are new here, my name is Anthony Allen. You're tuned into the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I upload videos that help you with your online money. And of course, I also upload gaming content. So here in this video, we're crossing over two of the subjects of my YouTube channel, online money and gaming. And if those two subjects sound interesting to you, smash that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with content like this. You will be able to pay with PayPal on PlayStation, Xbox consoles, and of course your PC when using Steam. PayPal is available to over 200 countries worldwide. This means that if you are a gamer in one of these countries and you have a gaming console or a PC and you don't have access to a bank account, credit card or debit card, you will now be able to pay for your gaming, whether it be an in-game purchase or purchasing a game, and you will be able to do this without a bank account, credit card or debit card and using your PayPal account. So let's explain how this works and how you will be able to pay for your gaming purchases using your PayPal balance. Access your PSN account or your Steam account on your PC or your Xbox Live account and connect your PayPal account to your console. And for those of you who do not yet have a PayPal account that doesn't have a bank account connected to it and you don't know how to create a PayPal account without a bank account, I have a video that I've uploaded for you which you can find in my online money playlist that walks you through the whole process of creating a PayPal account and without a bank account. So you will be able to use your PayPal without the need of a bank account, credit or debit card. So the first step that you will need to do once you have your PayPal account and you have your gaming PC or your gaming console in one of these countries that PayPal is available is to, of course, have some money within your PayPal. An example of how you can earn PayPal money is to sell on Fiverr.com or Freelancer or another freelance website online that pays you directly to PayPal. Once you have received that money into your PayPal account, you will then have a PayPal balance. PayPal will take away from your PayPal balance before it even tries to attempt to take away from any other connected cards, debit cards, credit cards or bank accounts. And when you're using this method that I'm talking about here in this video to pay for your gaming on one of the three options that I've mentioned earlier, you will be taking away from your PayPal balance, and that means money that you have in your PayPal account. If you have the amount available in your PayPal balance, this is where the money will be taken from. For example, if you have £5 available in your PayPal account that you've earned on Fiverr.com or somebody has sent you some money on PayPal, this is what will be debited away from your PayPal account, and that £5 will cover your £5 purchase. For those of you who want to connect your PayPal to your Xbox account, I've created a video which is available on my YouTube channel and you will find that in the link in the description. I will also have all other relevant links in that description, so have a look at that so you can find extra information on how you can complete this process and videos that I've created for you to help you with paying with PayPal in terms of your gaming on the three options: PlayStation, Xbox, or of course PC via Steam. And once you have followed the steps that I've taught you already on this YouTube channel, for example, you have created your PayPal account without the need of a bank account, credit card or debit card, then you have connected that PayPal account to your PlayStation, your Xbox or your gaming PC via Steam and basically connected your PayPal to your Steam account, then you can use the money that you have in your PayPal account that you've earned from Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com or earned through a invoice that you've created and made a sale. That balance is what you will then be using to make your purchases in games on your chosen console. Many of you watch my YouTube channel for my no commentary Fortnite content so you can experience Fortnite the game. And maybe when you encounter Fortnite the game for the first time and you want to purchase skins, or maybe you're somebody who wants to now use PayPal after you've watched this video to make your purchases within games like Fortnite or other Battle Royale games or other in-game purchases that you want to make, you can now do this using this method that I've spoken about and taught you here in this video. You can pay with PayPal alone without the need of a bank account, credit or debit card for your in-game purchases as well as your games. So you can now purchase your games and in-game purchases using your PayPal balance now that I've explained it. Don't forget to check out the online money playlist that I have here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this. I also have a playlist called Vlogs where you will find even more helpful content. I like to provide you with value here, and that's the reason why I encourage you to subscribe so that you do not miss the content when I'm helping you. I also build playlists to help you find the content that is right for you and the value that you're looking for here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Also, I have experienced these things for myself. I ran businesses and taught people how to run their business from things such as PayPal and other freelance websites. So I have the experience to help you even further. And of course, I will have even more content right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. This is just one video that you've encountered right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. And at the time of me uploading this video, I have over 700 videos that you can check out right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, and even more to come. You want to stick around here because there's a lot more value that I have to give to you. We're only just scratching the surface and there's a lot more to come. If you have any questions, if you need additional help, you can always hit me up in a comment down below. I'm very active here on YouTube and I'm here to help you even further. We are only just scratching the surface. On the screen right now you will see either playlists or videos relevant to you as you've made it all the way through until the end of this video. You can also click on my face so you can subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I'd love to see you in another video. There's a lot more to come, and that's why you should subscribe. See you in the next one.